In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily test and enroll contacts in HubSpot workflows. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply need a refresher, I will guide you through each step of the process. So let's get started by ensuring you're logged into your HubSpot account and ready to navigate. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to HubSpot's homepage. It's the central hub for all things related to your business tools and software needs. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate and click the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. After logging in, you'll find yourself on HubSpot's home screen. From here, the next step is to navigate to the Automations section. Automations in HubSpot allow you to streamline your processes, saving you time and making your workflow more efficient. Click on Automations to proceed to the next area of HubSpot we need to work with. Once you're in the Automation section, look for the Workflows option and give it a click. Workflows are crucial as they let you automate your marketing, sales, and services processes. This can include everything from sending emails to updating contact properties, or even scoring leads based on their interactions. It's a powerful tool that can make your daily operations much smoother. In the Workflows section, you'll see a dedicated button to create a new workflow. Click on Create Workflow to begin setting everything up. At this point, if you've done any previous work here, you might notice existing workflows. Don't worry, there's ample room to create as many workflows as you need to support your business needs. It's important to pause here and think about what exactly you want your workflow to accomplish. This planning stage is crucial in making sure your automated processes run smoothly and efficiently. By following these steps, you're setting the stage for success with HubSpot workflows. You'll find that testing and enrolling contacts becomes a much easier task. Once you've created your workflow, you can ensure it's functioning correctly by running tests. Testing lets you troubleshoot any issues before your workflow goes live, ensuring that it performs exactly as intended. Remember, while setting up workflows can initially seem overwhelming, practice will gradually make you more comfortable with all the available options. Over time, you'll find that these automations can significantly enhance your productivity and the overall management of your contacts. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos on optimizing your business processes. Until next time, happy automating.